Today we're going to work on a subtraction problem, which is 43 minus 27. And the method I want to use today is called keeping the distance. Using keeping the distance allows me to find numbers that are easier to me or easier to the student to use to make sure I'm able to solve the problem. So what I can do, I know 27, if I count up, however many I want to count up, like if I count up 3 more, that's going to give me 30. So a 3 and a 0 is a little bit easier to work with for right now. So I'm going to try using 30. But whatever I do to my subtrahend, I have to do to my minuend, which is what I'm subtracting by. To the bottom, I'm going to add 30 with 3, which is going to give me 30 instead of 27. And to my top, whatever I do to my bottom, I have to do to my top. So I'm going to add 3 again. So that's going to give me 3 plus 3 is 6. And I bring my 4. And remember, you're still subtracting. We're not doing anything different. So 6 minus 0. If you have to use your fingers, that's fine. Which is 6. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. So we can say if you're, and another method, no, the cross out method, if you want to use the barring method. If you want to say 7 going to 3, the 13, which would be 6 times, so it's still going to be a 6. And I would have marked it out. So I took 1 from, so it'll be 13, so it'll be 16. And you can check it. I can say 16 plus 27. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry me 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the way you can check the problem to make sure you're correct. Okay, class. So it's a little bit simpler than what we did the first time. Drawing a lot of lines and trying to break out the 27 from the 43 instead of just and then we did boxes. So doing it this way is a little bit simpler, and there are other methods you can learn, like the number between. I'm going to start with my first number, which is 27. Then I'm going to draw my lines 27 all the way up to my next number. But like I did with keeping the distance, I want to go to 30. I'm going to choose any number between that I like. So that's 27 to 30. And since we already did it, we have 3 numbers, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we have 3 right here. And since I'm at 30, I want to go to 43. I'm just count by my tens, which is 40. So that'd be plus 10. Then I have to keep my 3. I can't leave any numbers out. Everything is important. 2, 3. So that'd be 43. So 40, 1, 2, 3. That's a plus 3. Now, if addition is easier for you, all you have to do is add what is up top. You have 3 plus 10 plus 3, which equals 3 plus 3 is 6. I'm sorry. Then we have 10 left over. Plus 10 gives me 16. So the answer, that's another way you can do it. If you like the keeping the distance, which is adding a number to the bottom and the top, or you can use the number between. Have a good day.